Learning to doctor. So today I'm going to do question 4B, the washer method. So first, we got a question like this. We have to plot the graph first. So we know the x square root graph is something like this. And then we try to find the point. So when x equal to 0, y is defined. So y equal to 0, x equal to 1. So finding for another point, y equal to x minus 1. When y equal to 0, x equal to 1. When x equal to 0, equal to negative 1. So I use red color to represent this, and blue color to represent this. So we plot a graph here, negative 1, so do something like this. Okay, and plot this A here. Can get something like this lah. It's a very beautiful graph. Now, after finding the graph, y pi outer minus inner radius to find the cross-sectional area. So now we're finding for the inner. So since this is ay, so we have to solve it become x equal to what? X is in front. So y 2 x minus 1, x equal to y squared over 4 plus 1. So finding x in front, y behind, and for outer, y equal to x minus 1, x equal to y plus 1. So get to something like this. Okay, now we have to learn about, because of there is a distance between the y and the line is negative 1, so there is a 1 unit distance, 1 unit distance between them. So our inner and outer have to plus 1, so therefore plus 1, finally you become y plus 2 is equal to y squared over 4 plus 2, and you get something like this. So now we're using these two radius to substitute inside our formula. So the outer y plus 2, the formula is here, square y plus 2 square minus y square over 4 plus 2 square. So now do it further, solve it using factorize. Expand it first. Expand it. Something like this. It's 4. 416. So we do the expansion. We'll get something like this. And then we're doing for the cutting. So finally we'll get 16. So finally we'll get something like this. Okay. After we get the AY, this is the cross-sectional area of this. Get the cross-sectional area. Then substitute it inside this formula. So this formula is motion method and using to find the volume. So actually the shape of this is something like hmm, so actually it's something like this. So now we have to start to do it inside here. Where now we're finding for the limitation first. The limitation is y plus 2 equal to y squared over 4 plus 2. It become y equal to 0, y minus 4 equal to 0, y equal to 0, y equal to 4. So we get mid of the integral, v equal to 4, 0. So we substitute my inside it, I 4y minus 16 dy. So we get something like this. And we solve it. So we solve it with integration. It finally will become 2y squared 1 minus 1 over 80 y power 5 0. Substitute 4 at 0 into them to the formula. So finally, okay, so substitute them inside, and we minus them. So finally, we will get the volume of this. So finally, we'll get the volume of this. Okay, thank you for watching the video. So you can try with another method like shell method and other.
Okay, hi. Saya akan explain question 4C, which is determine the volume of solid ring obtained by the region bounded by y equals to square root x minus 1 and y equal x minus 1 about line x equal to negative 1. That is question 4b. So for question 4c, we will repeat question 4b but using shell method. To use shell method, we must first find the shell radius as we use in the formula. The formula is v equal to integrate by the range of b and a 2 pi shell radius shell height dx. The formula for shell radius is the shell radius in this question is x plus 1 and the shell height is 2 square root x negative 1 minus x negative 1 in brackets, and that's all in brackets is the shell height. That is the answer for now.
Assalamualaikum. I will continue the question 4C, which the calculation. And for the calculation, I use this formula to calculate the volume. The formula is integrate 2 pi in bracket shell radius and shell head. Now we replace the shell radius with which the equation we got x plus 1 and shell head 2 sur x minus 1 minus in bracket x minus 1. And we solve the calculation. We remove the bracket this, and we got the long equation, and we use indefinite integral, and we integral one equation per one equation. Oh, here we remove this x plus me, and now we multiply all this equation which 2 pi from here, and this we can just plus with this and multiply with this. We got this, and with x here we got this, which 2 multiply with 2 pi. And now we got this equation. From this equation, from here we do a bracket 5 1, and we calculate. We got the final answer here is 96 over 5 pi. Thank you.